Hello YouTube. I'm going to post this video because I've just noticed a lot of, this is just a simple fencing gate, walk gate, wood gate, latch video, okay? I've been taking a lot of them down and I noticed that it looks like a lot of people don't understand how to put a latch on a gate the correct way. Like, I'm sure if you're watching this, maybe, because you want to understand how to, you've had a lot of extra bolts and stuff like that, or like, you're like, what is this nut and bolt here for? I'm gonna explain this to you here one time. So, I don't really have time on the job right now. I'm not like trying to make a YouTube channel or anything crazy, but so I'm gonna do this one time. So you always want to put your latch, this is a double gate. I've determined that that's the side that I want to stay closed with a drop rod most of the time. So I put the latch up at least chest level, so 54 inches or so. That way it's above a child being able to reach it that's too young to need to be getting in this gate, I guess you'd say. Got that bolted on. Then you come over here and you're going to first put on your striker, okay? Your striker is this little deal here, okay? So, I'm sorry I don't have a cameraman. Striker on there. Okay, striker's on. Now this is the part that gets, I think, most people. You don't want to put this striker using two lag bolts to go into the 2x4 right here, because it's going to make you put the striker way too close to this, and if you look right here, this little mushroomed part is going to catch right here, and it's always going to cause problems. That's why they send you a nut and a bolt, so you can make one hole out past the 2x4 and put that nut and bolt through there. So let me do that. Oh, I need a cameraman. Here, can you put that on there? Here you go. Alright, so that's on there, and then after that, I'm going to put the handle on, and the handle actually goes like this. So, start with this one. Then I'm going to have two more bolts. And I'm getting called by somebody, but basically that's how you do it. Put your two more lag bolts right here, and that's what the nut and bolt washer is for. And then you've got your gate.